Today, let's discover my shiny, bright, beautiful colors one by one. Let's go! Brown color, teal color, pink color, red color, blue color, orange color, purple color, black color, sky blue color, white color, yellow color, green color. Hello kids! Today we are going to draw a cute blue heart with 2 eyes and a smile and color it together. First, draw a heart shape. If you love cute drawings, tap the like button and subscribe for more fun. Kids, keep watching! We're not done yet. Coloring is coming next, so stay with me and let's enjoy this cute drawing together. Kids, if you love your mom, subscribe to our channel and like this video.